This is Tajamul Adil. The 7-inch touchscreen dashboard will bring life to your old car. It is compatible with the Android and Apple devices. All you have to do is plug it in and connect your smartphone. The promotional price of 7-inch touchscreen is 297 Real, and you can find the buying links in the video description. The installation of the 7-inch touchscreen won't take you more than 5 minutes. I am using the multi-power connector to power the touchscreen with the power cord. Here are the steps to activate Apple CarPlay successfully on the touchscreen. That includes Apple CarPlay features. These are the steps for connecting to your Android phone using Android Auto, which is designed for any Android phone. It also comes with an Apple Mirror option and a mirror screen feature. This is also an excellent feature of Autolink, as it allows you to use any Multimedia AI Box for exploring new features. There are multiple setting options available, such as setting up the language and more steps, and you can increase and reduce the volume as you please. Also, it gives you equalizer option and much more. A memory card slot is available in the touchscreen and a USB-C option as well. Let's start with the memory card. When you insert the memory card in the slot, you will be able to hear the music smoothly, and you can also pause it as well as create a playlist. It's time to do an unboxing of 7-inch touchscreen and see what's inside the box. Making the connection between the iPhone and Apple CarPlay is pretty straightforward, but we need to follow a few steps. First, you need to find the Wi-Fi network, then you need to find the direct phone link and put a password on it. Follow the steps to pair your Bluetooth with your CarPlay once you have connected to the Wi-Fi network. Apple CarPlay works smoothly with the touchscreen, and you have access to dozens of apps including Google Maps, Spotify and more. By the way, I have already posted a video on the most useful Apple CarPlay apps. The next step is to show you how to mirror screen on the touch screen, commonly referred as the iOS mirror screen. Once you have connected to the Wi-Fi network, you must find the mirror screen option on the iPhone, click on it, and within a few seconds it will connect successfully. In addition to that, two new options will be available, mirror mode and flip mode, with various options. Finally, I will show you how to use Autolink feature on the touchscreen to connect to the Multimedia AI box to the touchscreen. Using the H3 AI box and the touchscreen, I plug the cable into the AI box and the other into the touchscreen. Use the Autolink option to connect the AI box, but make sure CarPlay is not connected. Once disconnected, pair the AI box with it and it will pair successfully after a few seconds. In this section, you will find a couple of setting options that have multiple options as well. The AI box has a Wi-Fi connection option on the settings menu, which can be used to access the internet to run apps. With the YouTube app installed, you can see that it plays video smoothly. Aside from that, the Google Play Store offers a wide variety of apps and games. At the moment, I have installed Fruit Ninja on it and I'm taking a look at how it works. The Google Play Store lets you install a wide range of apps on your AI box, and these apps are designed to work smoothly. In addition to offering smartphone access, touchscreens makes it easier and more convenient to use different apps such as Google Maps, Music app and much more. The 7-inch touchscreen buying price is 297 Real and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in useful apps for Apple CarPlay, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.